Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into OPPO Reno 7. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into System Settings option. Here choose Screen Recording option, and now on the top we got Sound Block option. So first option it's Record System Sound, and next it's Record Microphone Sound. This position like green, it's activate this option, for example Record System Sound, and Record Microphone Sound, this position of switcher, it's turn off this option. So if you want to activate microphone, tap here and tap OK, and turn off system sound, tap here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.